ABS and sign are two mathematical functions that return respectively the absolute value of a number and the sign. So, regardless of the sign of the first argument of ABS, it always returns just its absolute value, that is a positive number. Sign, on the other hand, returns +1 or -1, depending on whether the argument is positive or negative. Let's see that with an example. Here I'm generating a series of numbers from -2 to +2 with a step of 0.5, and then I return the value, the absolute value, and the sign. You see that value is positive, ABS returns the same value, and sign returns 1. In case you pass 0, then both ABS and sign return 0. And if the number is negative, ABS returns the positive value, whereas the sign becomes -1.